welcome to Volcano Adventure. My name is Davey Kong. I'm doing a private cooking and for our friends over here. As you see, we're making incredible meals. A lot of our friends miss us and ask me when are you back in town. As you see here, all these kitchens, all the foods we have, from pasta to portobello mushrooms to ribeye steak to steamed clams, crabs, and these are the requests from the customers who wants me to cook. So I'm bringing my son, Alex Kong, to help me out over here. Say hi, Alex, over here. Okay, well, folks, now we have done with the parties. I'm sure you will see some pictures on the videos, and I hope that you guys will enjoy the video. So in future, you guys, I want to be on the road. Sorry for the background. We have all the kids around here. It's a holiday, so a lot of kids. So
that's why Santa Claus shows up.
And this is what we're gonna have when on the road. We continue our journey to our new adventure. This is the family over here, the moms. She's incredible, beautiful and gorgeous. And the Santa Claus too over here. So if you like this video, please subscribe. If you like it more, double subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you then.
Merry
Bye.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.